Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Theodore, and I'm delighted you've joined us today. If you've ever understood English while watching videos, but struggled to speak when someone asks you a simple question, you're definitely not alone. Many learners experience the same challenge. The good news is that today we're going to work on changing that. Isabella, are you almost ready?
Almost. Just give me 2 more minutes.
You've been saying 2 more minutes for the last 15 minutes.
I know, but my hair refused to cooperate today.
My problem isn't your hair. I really need the bathroom.
Is it that urgent?
Very urgent.
Oh no, okay, I'm opening the door.
The bathroom door opens.
All yours.
Finally! You're my favorite person except when you're in the bathroom.
That's rude.
I'll apologize later. A few minutes later. Whew, that was close.
You're so dramatic.
No, I'm just thankful I made it.
I honestly didn't realize you were serious.
Next time I'll wave a red emergency flag.
That might help.
Since I made you wait, I'll make breakfast.
Really?
Yes. Pancakes?
You already know the answer.
Pancakes it is.
You're trying to buy my forgiveness with food.
Is it working?
Absolutely.
See? Food fixes everything.
Not everything.
Like what?
Mondays.
Fair enough. He starts mixing the batter. Do you need any help?
Can you get the milk from the fridge?
Sure. He opens the fridge.
What?
We don't have enough milk.
You're joking.
I wish I was.
Didn't I ask you to buy milk yesterday?
I remembered.
Great.
When I got home.
Theodore.
I forgot.
Again?
My memory has a complicated relationship with shopping lists.
That's a polite way of saying you're forgetful.
Exactly.
Fine, I'll use what we have.
You're amazing.
I know.
These pancakes smell incredible.
Taste them first.
He takes a bite. Wow.
Good wow or bad wow?
Best breakfast this week.
That's because I made them with love.
And extra butter.
That too.
You're definitely keeping me spoiled.
Someone has to.
I should cook tomorrow.
Really?
Why do you sound surprised?
Last time you cooked, the smoke alarm joined us for dinner.
That only happened once.
Twice.
Fine.
Twice.
Both laugh. Don't forget your lunch today.
I'll remember.
You said that yesterday.
Today's different.
We'll see.
What?
Your lunch is still on the kitchen counter.
Oh, I was testing you.
Nice try.
You passed the test.
You're impossible.
But lovable.
Most days.
I'll take that.
He picks up his lunch. Keys, phone, wallet, lunch. Anything else?
Your laptop.
Right.
See what I mean?
That's why I keep you around.
Excuse me?
Because you're brilliant.
Better answer.
I'm home.
Finally.
Long day?
Very long.
Mine too.
Sit down. I'll make some tea.
You don't have to.
I know. I want to.
Thank you.
How was work?
Busy. My manager changed the project again.
Again?
3rd time this week.
That sounds exhausting.
It is. How about your day?
My computer crashed right before an important meeting.
Ouch.
I almost cried.
But you fixed it?
Eventually. With help.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks.